Ever feel like support reps don't get what you actually sell? Most processors treat digital products and coaching the same, which makes it hard to get real answers when payments fail. Here's a simple way to help any processor understand your business. In Google Docs, write down your coaching offers, payment structure, and launch schedule. This helps you explain what you sell if your payments ever get reviewed. But even with clear documentation, most generic processors still don't specialize in coaching or info-based businesses, which means you're stuck explaining the same details again and again whenever there's a hold or payout delay. And that's where EasyPay Direct stands out. Their white glove service connects you with a dedicated account rep who already understands course launches, client billing cycles, and coaching programs. They will help prevent issues before they happen, not just fix them after the fact. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. You will get personalized support plus access to advanced tools like transaction routing to keep your payments flowing smoothly. If you're ready to stop explaining your business every time you need help, EasyPay Direct makes it simple. Click the link in the description to get started with a dedicated rep who knows your model and keeps your coaching payments running without stress.